Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. I didn't do one last week because I was working both Saturday and Sunday, so I just didn't have time. So let's do a steak quesadilla, since steak is, this month's Cast Iron Cooking Challenge. Let's get started. Alright, got my little pan here, which is smoking for some reason. Shouldn't be. I splurged a little bit, and I got a actually a filet mignon. I don't know if that will show, but got a filet mignon, and the thing should not be smoking, but. A little salt on here. Somebody's been sitting on the counter for about a half an hour. Nice and thick. I get 2 strips of bacon. I'm also going to saute some mushrooms because I like mushrooms. I had to turn my steak on its side because it was so thick. Trying to get it nice, even cooking. I don't mind mine being rare, or medium rare at least. Alright, bacon's starting to crisp up, so I throw in the mushrooms. Yep, threw it right in on the bacon grease. Bacon grease will absorb into the mushrooms, and the mushrooms will taste delicious. Plus, they're going to shrink down to like 1/3 of what they started. So, picked up a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning from Costco today, so I'm going to be trying that out. Smells real good. Get that in there. Sweet. The steak's coming along nicely. I can tell by the feel it's still rare. Go ahead and give it a flip. Oh, see, it's starting to tighten up now, so. We're getting there. Alright, I went ahead and just set my steak in the mushrooms, killed the heat, so it's kind of chilling out here. I got my skillet going with a knob of butter. Because when it melts, I'm going to put I got these Carb Balance tortilla shells. I'm just going to throw it right on top of the butter, so it's at room temperature. Well, my butter is out on the counter, but it's not soft enough to spread on the tortillas. Alright, we'll get the tortilla shell in there. I'm gonna go with cheddar cheese. I'm also going to go with pepper jack cheese. prep my... I'm a big fan of avocado, so I'm going to do avocado. Ah, you jerk. There we go. I just cut it right inside the shell. Just be careful not to cut through it. Yeah, it doesn't take a lot of pressure to cut avocado if it's nice and ripe. Slippery though. Alright. There's that. Kind of hurry. Everything's kind of coming together on me quickly, so get my tomato prepped up. Alright. Had to act quick because my shell was done. Since I'm going to make two. Throw in the cheese. This will be for the second one. There we go. Alright. Alright. Sometimes you just gotta wing it, man. Get some mushrooms. Let's get the steak out. Get these on there. Over. I just go halves. Piece of steak. Oh man. Delicious. That one's done too. Turn that oven off. Mushroom and bacon. Kind of thrown together, but there we go. Let's take a... So, here we go. Sitting at the dining room table. Thought I'd be do something a little different. Oh, the tip's over. Oh man. Man, that steak is so tender. Kind of messy, but freaking delicious. Wow. Well, I'm going to eat and I'll bring it back. Alright, well, clean plate. Excuse me, that was delicious. Wow. It's fine until the camera is turned on. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you watching. Check the link in the description for links, and I'll have you catch you in the next one.